Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage the camera grid view during video calls in Slack, follow these simple steps to customize your video layout preferences. Step 1. Open Slack on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your workspace. Step 2. Start or join a Slack huddle or call by clicking on the headphone icon in any channel or direct message. Step 3. Once in the call, click on the video camera icon to enable your camera and start video sharing. Step 4. Look for the grid view icon or layout options, typically located in the call controls at the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Click on the grid view icon to switch between different layout options, such as speaker view, grid view, or sidebar view. Step 6. In grid view, all participants' video feeds are displayed in equal-sized tiles, allowing you to see everyone at once. Step 7. To adjust which participants appear in your grid, some versions of Slack allow you to pin specific videos or reorder them by dragging thumbnails. Step 8. Use the settings gear icon during the call to access additional video preferences, including resolution settings and bandwidth optimization. Step 9. If you want to hide your own video preview, look for an option to minimize self-view or adjust layout preferences in the call settings. Step 10. Remember that grid view options may vary depending on whether you're using Slack on desktop, web browser, or mobile app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.